Yes, all right. My name is Bekedemo Joseph. The founder to Bekenet Software, and I'm a forex trader. And I've been doing this shit for more than 15 years now. So today I'm going to be creating a short video that is going to explain the reason why I am successful in what I'm doing and the reason why I don't use tight stop loss, because a lot of you still have that mentality of using tight stop loss. You don't understand how the market works. There are certain places that the market wouldn't want, that price wouldn't want you to get to, but most times you have been brainwashed about this tight stop loss of a thing, 20 pips stop loss, 10 pips stop loss, and you don't understand that for you to buy or for you to sell, you need to put your Excel in a certain level where the market can get it to. So those are the things I'm going to be explaining by using Becknet key levels to explain to you. So I'm going to be combining a video with a key level on my chart, which is already on the trading journal, and some of the trend directions, so that you see things clearly, so that you see that there are certain levels where price cannot get to, and those are the places you're supposed to put your stop loss. There are some certain levels where price cannot go down to, those are the places you're supposed to put your stop loss. So I'm going to explain that to you. That's why you see my trade very, very beautiful. It will look as if I'm doing something shady. So I'm going to expose that today. So stick around and watch the next YouTube video that is going to play on this channel. Thank you very much for your time. Welcome everyone. My name is Joseph. I'm a forex trader, so I use softwares to trade, and I'm going to explain the reason why I don't use tight Excel. You understand? I don't use tight Excel. That's a problem of most of you people. You know the trend direction, you know where the market is moving to, but you still want to use that tight Excel to trade, and which is very bad, because you are not seeing a certain levels in the market where the price can't get to. You are not seeing anything because you don't use key levels. So today I'm going to show you how I combine key level with the trend direction. First of all, I'm going to be taking a trade. Let me use Euro JPY to explain that. Then before that, I'll see the trend direction, then I'll now look for where price react to a certain key levels, then I'll now take a trade. So I'm going to go to trend direction. I'll check where the trend direction is actually going to. Most times I take my, if I want to sell, I take my trade when price is at its last phase of a bullish move, because after a bullish move we'll get to a bearish move, first phase of a bearish move. So now let me look at Euro JPY. As you can see, this is Euro JPY. It's telling me up move. Do you understand? It's telling me what this is, an up move. This is a turning point. Turning point means that the price has gotten to a very high level and is going to turn. Now this is the last phase of what? A bullish move. As you can see, this is a bullish move. Price has gotten to a certain level, and the price have been up for more than 31 hours, 30 something candle. So as price has gotten to some certain level, definitely it's going to drop. You understand? And if it's going to drop, I'm not going to put my SL for 20 pips and all that. I will look for a key level that price has rejected before. That is where I'm going to put my SS. So if that key level is 70 pips, 60 pips, I'll put it above it, so that price can never go to that place, because it's already on the last phase. So now let's look at a certain key level before I'll take you to my chart, so that you see things clearly yourself. Now everything I'm going to show you is virtually on the trading journal, of which you can do it yourself. You can get all the key levels on these charts here, or you can generate them yourself. There's a place you can generate them, but for now let me go to the swing trades, go to smash 100, so that I will look at where Euro JPY has reacted to some certain key levels. Then I'll show you on the chart, so that you see things clearly. Then you will see the reason why I use wide SL, and it keeps me more alive and gives me more profits, and I know where to take my trade. As you can see, this is Euro JPY. It's telling me that today's high, which is Friday, reacted to 2 weeks R1, 2 weeks weekly key level. Do you understand? Look at the weekly key level. This is 161.75. So price has reacted to it, and I already know that price is already on its last phase. You understand? It's already giving me a signal down. So we are waiting for a confirmation here. It's waiting for a signal. That is for those who are using it. Then let me show you what the chart looks like. You understand? Let me show you what the chart looks. As you can see, this is the arrow one is talking to. Price has reacted to this arrow one you're seeing. Weekly 2 weeks arrow one. So if I'm going to take this trade, I'm going to put a sell here. Put a sell here. My SL, most of you now will go and be using tight stop loss. Now you see this zone, this place you're seeing, price can definitely react to this place because there's a free zone here. Let me look for something to show you guys. Okay, an object. This is it. Let me see if I can draw something. Line. Hold on, a shade. Okay, now you see this space that we are having here is a free zone, so definitely price will definitely cover this place. Now imagine if you come here, now you already know that this thing is going to drop. You're going to put your SL 20 pips from here. Price will definitely hit it. Price is going to hit this place that you're seeing because this is a free zone. So if I want to take a sell now, my SL is going to be above this key level, which is about 70 pips. This is another key level here. This is arrow 2, weekly arrow 2. So before price will get to this place, which is already on the last phase, it's going to take it time for it to get it to this place. Even if I want to stress the market self, I'll put my SL at this point here, this 2 weeks arrow 2. So my XL is going to be very, very wide because I know that there is a space here. Definitely price will come to retest this zone. So if I want to put my SL is going to be 70 pips above this place because the price has already weakened already, because it's already on its last phase of what a bullish move. Price is already on its last phase of a bullish move, and the next thing the market is going to do is going to turn to a bearish move. First phase of a bearish move. So if I, now that you know that price is already on the last phase of a bullish move, after, from the principle of Beckett Trading Journal of trend direction, after a last phase of what a bullish move, we'll get a first phase of a bearish move. After a first phase, a last phase of a bearish move, we'll get a first phase of a bullish move. Now currently 1 hour time frame from the Trading Journal, Euro JPY is on its last phase of a bullish move, meaning it's going up, and this is the last phase. It has gotten exhausted and it has reacted to this 2 weeks weekly key level. So once it had reacted to this weekly key level and it tells you that there is a downward movement from the trend direction, we'll be waiting for a signal here. So I'm going to put my SL at the recent high, which is this. If I want to stress the price, the market very well, I'll put my SL here so that price will not get to this place. I'll be very safe. 80 pips is okay for me. As you have these 80 pips, you calculate the lot size you're going to use. That is how you trade. It's not fixing a random number. No, look at it now. It's very obvious. If you try it, you're going to lose. At the same time, the market is still going to drop. It's going to hit your SL. If you put 20 pips SL, let's say even 40 pips, 50 pips, this is a free zone. This red sign that I showed you, the distance from arrow 1 to arrow 2 is a free zone. So there's a possibility of price going to spike and hit this place before it drops. There's a possibility for that. So that's why this so long is what is in the last phase. But if in the first phase, then you can follow the buy and move. But this is the last phase. We don't buy at the last phase. We only sell at the last phase of a bullish move. So this is a last phase. And look at where the price has reacted to, which the advanced key level has already told us that price has reacted to this level already, which is 1.61. You understand? Price has already reacted to it already. Look at it here, the same thing, slight difference, 1.61. You understand? Price has already reacted to this key level here that you're seeing. The same thing is telling us here, price has reacted to this key level, which is the advanced key level. So we're waiting for a signal for it to tell us to sell, which we already know is going to sell. So if it tells us to sell, the next thing I'm going to do is go to my key level chart, plot my 2 weeks key level, and get my SL there. Very simple. Stop using tight stop loss. They've brainwashed you so much that tight tell you ratio 1 this to this. Who told you that? You work with what the market is printing for you. Do you understand? You work. If I want to take my take profit now, it's going to be either here, this current weekly R1, or this place, because price will definitely react to this level. From here, from this place,
this place. If price break this yellow line now to this place, is a free zone, which is 42 pips. If he hits this red line again, it's going to react until break this zone and get to this blue. So these are the places you take profit. You don't just put take profit for nothing. You guys are not seeing things clearly. That's why you trade blindly. That's why you keep losing money and so many things. You need software to see things in the market. Do you understand? This distance from this red to this blue is a free zone. You're going to see a free from here to here. From this two blue, you're going to see a range. Here to here, you're going to see a range. Look at it. It's very simple. All these places you're seeing, those are key level where price has reacted to. So if I'm going to take a trade, my next target take profit is going to be, I'll be looking out for when price is going to get to this place, which is about 60 pips. I'm done. I can even do it for this yellow point, 19 pips, if I want to trade smart. Price will hit here. Look at the way price came to retest this place and bounce off. Can't you see it? Very clear. Do you understand? So I don't just use tight SL. No, I trade according to the printing of the market, what the market is showing me per time, what is showing me, what is the next resistant level. I'm going to put it at the top so that I will stress him so long I know he's already on his last phase. If you understand the concept of first phase and last phase, you understand what I'm talking about. Do you understand? So I don't just put my SL. Most of the people you call your mentors and all that, they don't understand. They don't use software, so they don't say things. So they only do try and lock and use 20p stop loss. The day you enter, they will shout, they will post it all over the internet and all those stuff. No, you see things yourself. These are key levels. These are places where price react to. These are the zone. These are zones where price get to. You understand? Look at how price move from zone to zone. You can see from here now. Let me show you something. From here, you see a free move down to this place. Price came back to retest again. See a free move. See a free move from here. Reacted to this. Came back to this level. Look at it. Do you think it's coincident that price will come and test this pivot level? No. Do you understand? See, there are certain impacts. You see that price retested this level here and move up, retested this yellow, came down. You see that price respect key level. Those are the things you watch out for. You don't just place trade or put your Excel in any wrong move. You understand? So how do you going to get all these key levels? They're already on your trading journal. You understand? What you need to do is go to chart. You look at chart here. This is chart. You click trading chart. From there, you copy it and paste it on your phone so that you'll be able to see what the market is doing. Now, let me go to Euro JPY and see if I can get those key level. What it's trying to tell me. Do you understand? I'll click on load. Once I click load, it's going to print out the daily candles for me. Then the next thing I'm going to do, click on settings. Then this is last week key level, this is 2 weeks key level, and the price told us that price reacted to 2 weeks key level. Let's see if it's this one. Let me see if I can plot it and see. Look at it. Okay, so now for me to get a visibility of it, this is last 2 weeks key level. Let me put my candle. Look at it. 1.1475. This is where price react to. So let me take out some so that you'll be able to see it. Let me remove some key levels that I don't need. Let's remove arrow 2, let's remove arrow 3, let's remove arrow 3, and let's remove support 2 and support 3 so that you see everything clearly. Okay, now as you can see, then I'll close this. Now what the advanced key level is telling us now, that this is what price has reacted to this level. Let me see if it's going to display out. Supposed to display. Look at it. Price has reacted to 1.6175, which is last week resistant one. And if you check this is where you could just copy this thing, paste it on your chart. You will see everything clearly, just the way it's on this chart here. You understand? Just the way you see everything clearly, then you know the zone. From one key level to another, there is called a free zone. So price is going to retest those levels. But if price is on its last phase, meaning that it's just going to spike to this place and drop down. So if you're putting your SL as 20 pip, 30 pip, you're going to be knocked out. You're going to get the fuck out before the market moves to the right direction. That's why you see me, I put my SL at a recent high, very high, so that the price, before it will break these places, it has gotten exhausted already. You understand? Then it will now start dropping to my favor. Now you think this SL is wide. It's simple mathematics. If the SL is wide, you reduce your lot size. You understand? Lot size of 0.01 for 80 pips is just $80. $8. It no go kill you. $8 no kill you for $100. and 0.02 $16 no go finish your account. If you know what you're doing, na maths, you calculate sharp, not using tight essay. Who taught you that? If I want to use tight essay, that means I'm taking my trade from this point, then I'll put my SL at the recent high. If price hasn't reacted to this, do you understand? I've done tight SL of 10 pips because I saw the price reacting to a key level, and the next key level was very close. I'll put it at the top. Do you understand? But not when the next key level is they have a distance of over 50 pips. I will not be using 30 pips or 20 pips. I'll shoot myself. Do you understand? Price is going to hit definitely this free zone. We call it a free zone. From one key level to another is a free zone. So this free zone now, price will definitely hit this place. Is either you see a huge spike up, test here and drop. People call it manipulation. No, it's not. They understand. These are certain fulfillment the market will fulfill and hit this SL, this arrow to and get down. So how do you plot all these things? You go to your chart. It's already on the trading journal. You understand? This is the pivot, this is this. You plot everything and see it. Both your daily key level, weekly key level, monthly key level. You see things clearly. You know where to put your SL and chill and relax. If I'm trading now, I don't panic because I already see what the market is doing. No be jazz. You understand? No be juju, no be anything. These are key level. Price react to all these key levels. If you understand all these things, you go see how they brag. No. Do you understand? You understand all this. You trade with confidence. That's why I say I trade with full confidence because I know where the market is heading to. Even the trading journal, once they are the trading machine, once they are using, I tell them relax. It knows what it's doing. It trade with key level. Do you understand? So those are the things you need to look out for. Stop using tight SL. You're not seeing what the market is printing. You can see, look at how price is reacting to all these key level. All these things are printed out before the market started moving. Look at it. The same point you're saying, price has reacted. Look at it, reacting to all these levels. These are levels price is reacting to. So it's not coincident. So if you're trading, trade according to where the price is reacting to. You're trading, trade according to where price is reacting to. No, you don't just put your what's it called, your stop loss at a random position. No, but you continue losing money because you're not seeing what the market is doing. You're not seeing what is printing for you. You know the same. All these things from here to here, all these things now, they are what direction in the market. There are certain place price will get to it. You relax and come back and retest. Very simple. You see the order of movement in the market. Price not just move anyhow. There are certain levels it move to. That's why I tell you, understand Beckett Trading Journal, use the trend direction and know where the direction of the market is moving to. Last phase, first phase, they are very, very important. Last phase, first phase is very important. If you look at the trading journal now, it's telling us if I go to the trend direction, let me click back home. It will tell me that there is a turning point. That will give you a signal that this is the bullish move is over. We are going to get to a bearish move soon. The turning point, it gives you clearly 1 hour time frame. It's telling you that there is a turning point. There's going to be a turning point. Euro JPY, look at it. It's on its last phase. Last phase. Price has been up for more than 31 hours, which is about virtually 2 days or so. Yes, 2 days and some hours. 2 days, price has been up. Do you understand? Turning point. This is a turning point. It's telling you that it's going to drop soon. And the advanced key level has told you that price has reacted to what a weekly key level, which I showed you now. Everything you need to survive in the trading in the forex trading is already here. You can set your alert so that when price get to those levels, you know. It's as simple as ABC. This is not rocket science. We don't just trade because people are trading. You understand? You trade and understand what you're doing. Look at Euro JPY. Let's look at what it's telling us. Look at it. The same point, 161.75. That is what it's telling us. 2 weeks arrow 1. 2 weeks key level. That's what price has reacted to. Then if you look at the chart, it's still going to print it out for you. It's clear. Then from there you take your SL, put your SL at the recent time. Look at chart here. Click on this chart. Very simple. Click on charts. I go to Euro JPY. Do you understand? Euro JPY. Where is it again? Euro JPY. I click load. I get my daily chart displaying. I come here. 2 weeks key level. I put it. Do you understand? Which is this? I put it. It will load. Then I'll now remove the top ones. I can remove arrow support. I don't need it. I don't need what's it called, S1. I don't need S1. I don't need arrow 3. You understand? So everything will come out very clearly. So look, it's telling us that price reacted to this level 61.75. So this from here, this arrow to now, this is a free zone. Price will cover this place. So if I'm going to say it's already on the last phase, my SA is going to be above this place, which is more than your 20 pips or 50 pips. Do you understand? Which is what is showing here exactly on my chart. What I just showed you here is on the trading journal. So if I want to take my SA is going to be above this 2 weeks arrow something, arrow 2. It's going to be above. Virtually I can use 70, 80 pips and chill. Trade with confidence and chill, not putting tight SA. From there now, the next level price is going to come to. It's going to either come to this place. This is about 65 pips. The next red line. From there, if it breaks again, it comes down to this place. If it break again, any of the free zone, these two distances is going to cover it. That's how you trade. That's how you trade like a pro. Not putting your SL at a random place. It's not done. You're going to hit SL back to back. You know, they see my trade. It will look as if I'm doing something funny. No. They see the market. We see how it works. I just showed you now. If you practice it from this week now, you understand? Do what I asked you to do. Always plot your key level. Go. It's not stressful. You plot it, just copy it, press your mouse on it or press your thumb. It's going to give you, look at the number, you put it there, plot it, then you see everything clearly. You can do the current weekly key level. You still see everything obvious clearly. You see everything. You can do your monthly, you can do your daily, you see everything clearly. Then you trade like a pro. Your trading journey will stop using 20 pip SA, because those people that are telling you to use 20 pip SA, they are not seeing what I am seeing. They don't have these softwares. They are not seeing key levels. They are not seeing anything at all. They are just putting random number. The day you enter, everybody go smile. The day you no enter, they will say market manipulation is a lie. It's a bloody lie. You understand? Forex is hard when you don't have the right tools. Then you'll be trading blindly. I saw this thing 2023. You understand? That's what changed my trading journey for good. Do you understand? I saw all these things and I practiced, I understood it. I built them into the trading journal. Do you understand? For it to make your life easy. Stop using tight SL. There are certain times you use tight SL. Do you understand? Not all the time. Do you understand? Not all the time. It's not done. Not all the time. Look at this. Let me take you to this price. And if I'm taking this price, my next SL can be this place. It's very tight, which is the next key level. Let's say, for instance, I'm buying from here because this should be a first phase of a bullish move. Then my SL can be here, which is about 40 pips below, always below a key level, not in between. You go wound. You put this from here to here is a free zone. From this place to this place is a free zone. So always put your SL below a recent key level or above a recent key level. If it's in the last phase, above last phase of a bullish move, above a recent resistant level. If it is a last phase, if it's a last phase of what, a bullish move, and you want to sell, your SL should be above the recent resistant level. If it's what, a last phase of a bullish move, do you understand? Last phase of a bearish move, and you want to buy, which is exactly what I'm showing you here, you have to put your SL below. Do you understand? Because you want to buy below a recent key level. It can be this one, it can be this, it can be this. To be on the safer side, I always use the recent, so that before price will break this white one, break this other white one, break this other, it must have been exhausted. It will not touch my account at all. It will now move up. But those that will just put their SL 20 piece, 30 piece, just putting your SL at a random place, is not done. You put your SL according to what the market has printed out for you, which are the key level. You put your SL below. If you want to buy, below a recent key level. If you want to sell, above a recent key level, which is this one, not the one is testing, the recent one, so that you have a space, you understand, for market to breathe before it start moving in the right direction. That is how to trade. This is 2024. Use softwares to trade so that you see what is going on. Stop doing guesswork. Do you understand? Stop doing guesswork. This is obvious. I just showed you now. It's very clear. Do you understand? It's very, very clear. Study all these things. They are available on the trading journal. Do you understand? Look at it here. These are the charts. It's available. What you see here is what I printed out, plotted here on my chart. It's very easy. Life is easy. You plot it and you see everything clearly. Do you understand? So that is what I want to tell you. So take your trading journey serious. Don't do guesswork. No, they do guesswork. Use software. If you don't know how to plot at key level, get any software that can generate key level for you. The forex revolve around key level. No be jazz. You study it 1 week, you know what I'm talking about. Price must move from one zone to the other, and play around. Just play with your intelligence, but it knows where it's going to. But if you have all this key level, I just dey laugh. I know where market they move to. I know where to get to by using the trend direction. I know if this is the last phase, this is the last phase, and it's testing the resistance, definitely it's going to drop. Do you understand? Last phase testing the resistance is going to drop. And wait for a first phase of a bearish move, then it drop, we smash and get out. So these are the things I wanted to show you guys about. So if you're trading, always don't use tight SL. If the trading machine give you an XL, use it. Stop using your own SL, because you're not saying what the machine is saying. And I just explained it to you now. If the advanced key level give you an SL, use it. Use the current recent key levels to place your SL, so that you'll be very safe. Talking about take profit, everything that boils down to the key level where price is reacting to. You don't just put your take profit at a random. People are just doing guesswork. It will work for them, they'll be happy. Look at all this zone. Price will definitely test. From here to here is a free zone. Free zone is a distance between a recent resistance and a recent support, or is another resistance. Those are free zones. So price will drop massively from there. Once you get there, retest again. So those are the place I take as my take profits. Do you understand? So those are the places you look out for, not just a random number. 20 pips. No, you put your SL according to what the market is printing for you. If you understand this thing, you go make profit from markets. Do you understand? Though it may take time, price may spike up here, your heart go the pants. No, so long it's in the last phase, it will take time before. So long it has not hit the trading journal, just log into your trading journal and observe everything I just told you, so that you trade profitable and be profitable the way I am. Do you understand? It's not magical. It's the same thing I'm doing. That's what you're doing. So you follow the same principle and you're going to be profitable. So this is the little thing I need to explain to you. Everything you need is already on the trading journal. Everything you need is available on the trading journal. Everything you can think of as a trader is already there. SMS alert, notification alert, trading machine alert, advanced key level, normal key level, trend direction, sniper entry. Everything you need as a forex trader has been embedded in the trading journal. If you study all these things, well, most usually key level is the main thing. Do you understand? It's the main thing. You know what I am talking about. You understand? So if you don't have it, subscribe to Beckenet Trading Journal to have access to all this things. But if you already have a trading journal, you already have access. Exploit it and make money. This is February we are now. We still have 10 months. We still have 10 months. So take advantage of this and be profitable. So this is what I have for you guys. So if you have any question, you know the channel, send me a DM, so that we explain properly for you before Monday comes. You understand? So that you trade like a pro, the way it's supposed to be. So thank you for your time. I've taken a lot of your time, but I just had to take my time to explain all these things to you. Thank you very much for being patient with me. All right.